So good afternoon, class 6 children. Today we are going to revise chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets. So let's have few of the MCQs. Question answers already we have done. So question number 1 is, what will happen if, kindly raise your hand if you know the answer. What will happen if take magnetic compass near a bar magnet? Kindly find the right option and raise your hand. Needle will deflect, needle will not deflect, needle will reverse the direction, none of these. Yes, Bhumika. She has raised hand. Yes, hurry up, beta. You have to mute yourself fast. Yes, Lakshindal.
Ma'am, the needle will default.
Default, it will deflect. The needle will deflect.
Yeah.
Next, the north end of a freely suspended magnet always point towards the. Yes, Avni Agarwal.
Geographical south.
Geographical south end.
Ma'am, as we know, there are two poles of magnet that are north and south. If we will join an north and an end, they will repel. If we will join north and south pole, so they will attract each other.
So, Tanish, can I have the answer of question number 2 again? Is Anvi right?
Yes, ma'am, it is geographical north.
So she has said geographical south. It's
But ma'am,
geographic.
north is, yes, ma'am, north is right.
Geographical north. Anybody else want to give the answer of this question again? Yes, Bhuvi Tandon. Next question number 3. Which of the following is true of magnets? Yes, Bhuvi.
All the above.
Yes, Ridhima, unmute. Tell is answer 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell about answer 3. Question number 3.
Ma'am, the magnet has two poles, north and south.
So I think it's also correct. Like poles repel. ये भी ठीक है.
All the above.
All the above will
Ma'am,
be.
all the above.
Because like poles repel, that's also correct. Opposite poles attract, that's also correct. Magnet
Yes,
has
ma'am.
two magnet, that is also correct. So all of the above is the answer for it. Okay. Next is question number 4. What is incorrect of magnets? So these are few of the terms you have to tell. Aditya Viswas, what is the answer for this? Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What is the incorrect of magnet? So magnetic power is more in the middle of bar magnets. Ma'am, it's none of the above.
None of the above you are saying. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Charvi.
Can I tell? Ma'am, it is power is
Ma'am, it is A part. Magnetic power is more in the middle of bar magnets.
Magnetic power is more in the middle of bar magnets.
is a natural.
Children, can you tell me that why rest are speaking? If I had unmute one, if I told one to speak, then why rest are speaking in between? I don't know why. Just to create a disturbance. Yes, Charvi, give the answer.
Ma'am, magnetic power is more in the middle of bar magnets.
Yes.
A part is the answer.
A part is the most appropriate answer. Kindly don't speak in between. If you know the answer, don't disturb others. Yes, next is number 5. Kindly read the question yourself. Rayan Azhar, I want the answer from your side. A bar magnet is immersed in a heap of iron filling and pulled out. The amount of iron filling clinging to the North Pole is almost equal to the South Pole. North Pole is much more than the South Pole. North Pole is much less than the South Pole. Magnet will be same all along its length. Yes.
Ma'am, I guess C.
Okay, you guess C for it. So Rayan is yes, Saksham. Now you identify. Is C the right answer?
Yes, ma'am, C is the right answer.
Why it is so? Why C, North Pole is much less than the South Pole? Why it is so? Tell me why it is so. There should be a reason that why are you giving this answer? Yes, Tanishk, why it is so?
Ma'am, I think it is the option D.
Magnet will be same all along its length.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Laksh Jindal, what you want to say about answer 5?
Ma'am, A, North Pole is almost equal to South Pole.
Okay, Charvi, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I think A part is right.
A part is right answer. Children, why you are differentiating? Why North Pole is much less than South or South will be less than? No, the poles are of equal strength. Magnet has 2 poles and 2 of the magnet have the equal strength. So we can't segregate that one is of higher power and another one is of lesser power. Next, question number 6. Match the following. Already you know, SS will be repulsion and NS will be attraction. So I think it's not clear to you. Let's move to the number 7. Yes, North Pole of a magnetic needle is painted. How it is painted like? Iradhima. Rest will not raise hand.
Ma'am, black.
Joel, Aditya.
Ma'am, black.
Black you are saying. Okay, Bhuvi Tandon, kindly switch on your camera. Yes, Avni. Same answer I am
Yes.
asking 7. Kindly tell me the answer number 7.
Ma'am, the North Pole of a magnet needle is painted red.
Are you asking or telling?
Ma'am, I'm telling that answer is red.
Okay. Yes, Charvi.
Ma'am, I think it is blue.
Aditya. Aditya, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, red.
Red. Bhumika. Bhumika, what will be the answer of answer question 7?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, red.
The answer
Ma'am,
will
can
be
I
red.
also tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, red.
Ma'am, can I also?
Already, children, already it's given
Ma'am,
in your
red.
book that it is red. Next, go for the next questions. Question number 8 is statement A. Magnetism of a magnet is lost by hammering. It's hammering better. Statement B. Magnetism of a magnet is lost by breaking it. So we are having 2 statements. First of all, you just read this statement, whether this statement is true or not. A is correct only. B is correct only. Both are correct or both are incorrect. I want or I suggest you to read these statements carefully first of all. Magnetism is lost by
Can I
hammering.
tell?
And second is magnetism of a magnet is lost by breaking it. So 2 ways are there of losing the magnetism. Yes, Laksh.
Can I tell? Ma'am, A. Statement A is correct only.
Okay, fine. Now mute yourself. Yes, Avni. Joel also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Joel.
A part is correct.
A
Ma'am,
part. is-
A.
So children, according to you, A part is correct. मैं एक part पे tick कर देती हूँ.
Ma'am, A.
I put a tick on the A
Ma'am,
part.
both A and B are correct.
Yes. So one is saying, kindly mute yourself. Tanishk, what about you?
Ma'am, both. Ma'am, C part is correct.
Okay. Who is saying? The reason for the answer is, so I may say that this part is not correct. The statement A and statement B both are correct. So your answer will be the C part. Both statement A and B are correct. Okay.
Ma'am,
Because
we have break magnet, but it not lose their magnetism.
magnet loses its magnetism by hammering and it break down. When it break down, its magnetism is also lost. Next, question number 9. Match the column. So nickel, or you have to write down yourself. I think this magnet is nickel is a magnetic material. Okay. And what's the next one? Paper, non-magnetic. Now you can add, what will be the wood?
Ma'am, wood is non-magnetic
Ma'am,
material. Iron is magnetic material.
Ma'am, iron is magnetic.
Yes.
Iron is magnetic.
So answers we have checked already. These are the answers for this question. So I think we have done the right one. So no problems, children. Certain important questions are there related with chapter number water. That is chapter number 14, water we are talking about. So I want each one of you to just go through the question answers yourself. Like these are the answers in 1 or 2 words only. The process by which the water vapor is formed from water. That is
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Okay. The process by which clouds cause rain.
Condensation.
Condensation, because water vapors get condensed and only then it changes into the that water droplets. Largest source of water on the earth is
Oceans.
ocean. The process by which water is circulated between the land and air. Water cycle.
Water cycle.
Water cycle.
The main reason for drought in the place. You have seen
Insufficient rainfall.
Rainfall.
insufficient
No rainfall
rainfall.
for a year is due to drought, ma'am.
Okay, and you can say that insufficient amount of rainfall. Why is water required for agriculture? Now tell me, why water is required for agriculture? What's the reason behind it?
Grow the crops.
To grow the plant.
Because for the growth of plant.
Children, you can raise hand. For the growth of the plant, only that water is required for the agriculture purpose. Okay, next is, I think we had missed that worksheet. For the irrigation purpose. For irrigation purpose, we are using water for the agriculture. During evaporation, water gets converted to form
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Vapor.
During condensation, water gets converted to what form?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Condensation is the process of changing water droplets, gaseous form to water again. So gaseous to liquid. Next,
हमने बोला था raise hand जो करना है.
loss of water as water vapor by plants.
Transpiration.
Yes, transpiration is a process. Children, so already we have read that evaporation and transpiration are the two processes by which the water vapors are added into the atmosphere. So collecting rainwater for the future use.
Rainwater harvesting.
Rainwater harvesting.
Explain how ocean and are important in the water cycle, and few more are how did concrete floor that affect the ground. It's very, very important. You know, everywhere there is a concrete now. Concrete means the pakka flooring is there.
Ma'am, shall we
Yes,
write
tell.
this question?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
How
ma'am,
does,
I want to ask a doubt.
yes.
मैम बुक में लिखा है मैम जो नहीं होता है घर से वो ओशियन से आता है पर मैम ओशियन में सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व होती है मैम.
Beta, I think you have not read the complete sentence. Water does not come from ocean. It's not written anywhere.
It is the book. In
You
my
read
book,
this.
ma'am.
You read this line. Read the line. Where it is written. Read out that line.
The ocean are the world's greatest supply of fresh water. Ocean have the most surface area exposed to the sun.
Ma'am, it is written that we get water from oceans.
Indirectly we get water because the ocean water is evaporated, that goes into the atmosphere, and from the atmosphere it comes back to us. So indirectly we are getting the ocean waters. Directly we are not getting the ocean waters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And how does this concrete flooring affect the groundwater? Tell me. Concrete flooring, already I had told you that this is a pakka floor we are talking about. Nowadays, you must have seen earlier it was the kacha floor, the soil was there, but now maximum of the places they have the concrete flooring. Tell me, beta, what's the reason behind it?
Ma'am, it is hard for the soil to absorb the water from the
Yes,
rain.
one is the concrete flooring. Concrete flooring में क्या होता है? No pores are there, like in the soil. So the water does not percolate. As a result, what happens? The rainwater concrete does not seep through. ठीक है? Groundwater can't be recharged. So the water table also
Okay, ma'am.
suffers. As soon as okay, so how this is prevented? Because everywhere if there will be a pakka floor, then there will be a no seepage into the ground. The water will not be absorbed. So this is the
Yes,
reason
ma'am.
behind it. Okay. Next question is, what is rainwater harvesting, and describe any two methods of it. So already you know
Ma'am, rainwater harvesting is the collection of rainwater.
for the future use.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very important. And rest two methods already we have done. That is a rooftop and the rainwater.
Rooftop
can be
rainwater
diverted to the-
harvesting, rainwater can be diverted to rainwater drains.
Next question is to explain with the water cycle. So already you know. And children, it's your wish. If you want to write the water cycle, if suppose this question comes in 5 marks directly. So you have to draw the diagram, and even you can write down step by step. See how many steps has been given. First of evaporation, transpiration, condensation, percolation, surface runoff. Means that all processes, these all processes are carrying out in the water cycle. So this is the best way to write for the water cycle. Means if this question comes in 5 marks, then you have to explain the whole process. Okay. The whole process should be explained. Next, what causes a flood? This all you know already. When the water level rises, that causes a flood, and there is a great loss to the life and property. So children, this was your chapter number 14. I hope each one of you have understood the concept.